In this video, I'm going to show you what's in my Ulanzi camera shoulder bag. I got this bag from Amazon. Okay, so here is the camera shoulder bag. It has got this beautiful strap here and it has got a Ulanzi label. It has got two outside zippers, one main zipper and another smaller zipper. So let's start with the outside zipper. So in here I've got another phone, so I can keep my phones in here. I can keep my wallets, I can keep my cards and things like that. And going to the main zipper, this is where it becomes interesting. So as you can see, it has got this compartment here, and in here I'm keeping my DJI Osmo Gimbal flashlight, test tracker. I've also got this tripod from K&F Concept that I use to attach to my DJI Osmo Gimbal when I'm shooting videos. And I've also got the DJI Osmo Mobile Gimbal inside this pouch. And this is the DJI Osmo 7. I've also got my Anker 25K power bank, which keeps me powered throughout the day. It has got a retractable cable. As you can see right now, it's full. It has got a display, so I know how much juice is still remaining. It has also got this cable, which I can use as a strap to hold the power bank. I also have my Lexa external storage. This is 1 terabyte of external storage. I can connect this to my iPhone and record videos directly to this external storage. I've also got my charging cable, another charging cable as well, and I've got the phone holder for my DJI Osmo Mobile 7 gimbal. And we've got another pocket in here. Let's check what I've got in there. So right now I don't have anything in there, but I've also got this hand cream inside my bag. What I've done with my DJI Osmo Mobile 7, because it doesn't come with an automatic face tracking, I bought this attachment from the Osmo Mobile 7P. I can attach this face tracking device to the Osmo Mobile 7, and this way I can track my face using this attachment. So this is the original phone holder for the Osmo Mobile 7, and as you can see, you can't attach the face tracking device, so I had to buy this attachment. This is what I have inside my Ulanzi camera shoulder bag, and it's such a handy bag to have, especially if you are shooting content on the go. You definitely need something like this, something that is easily accessible. If you'd like to get this bag, head down into the comment section. I've left a link for Amazon where you can go and get this bag. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.